Hi guys, I wanted to come to you today with a Target box. I went to Target this morning to get my weekly groceries for work and everything, and they had 4 different Target boxes there, and I picked this box. So I have some handy scissors here, and let me get this plastic wrap off here. Put this back under there, that's where they were. And let's see what is in here. I had 4 of them to choose from, and they have pictures on the back. So this is the one that I thought I would get the most use out of, and I wanted to see what they were like. So here, and this way you don't have to fight over the internet and miss out on it and try to get there. So the box that I saw was completely full when I went this morning with that had all of them. How do you get in this box is what I'd like to know. There we go. So that's what it looks like down in there. A whole bunch of stuff crammed in there. So the first thing I see here is Dove Dry Spray Invisible No White Marks on 100 colors. So I guess 100 colors of clothing they've tested on, I'm sure. And it's fresh, sheer fresh. So that is one thing I got. I don't know if this will work for me. It might be a touch-up thing, but I need clinical strength or the Old Spice, whatever, the Wolfthorn, whatever I use. You see it in my empties all the time. So that is one thing. There's another Dove in here, and it is dry shampoo, refresh and revive hair without water, and this is in fresh coconut. So you all know I like coconut, so that, let's see if it smells good. Now that I have dust or powder up my nose, but alright. The next thing I have in here is an e.l.f. Beauty Bare Blending Brush. I thought that was kind of cute. Why do you have to be smarter than the packaging? Which I'm clearly not. Okay, there it is. So that, apparently I'm still not. Hello! Okay, the brush is getting the best of me today, and now that's sticking to me. But that's cool. I like that. That's cool. And it's soft. So, like that. That's probably my favorite thing so far. The Dove Dry Hair Spray is pretty good, but this, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And my battery's about to run out. So, let's see. They got coupons in here. I got the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. I did not know they had anything like that, so that's what that looks like. I got a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. So that'll be interesting to use. I've never done had that. And then I got Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Makeup Remover Wipes, and there's 7 sheets in here. So I have never tried this brand, so I will definitely have to try that. And the last thing that's in here is the e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette. Let's see if I can get this out. Very shiny on that. Oh. So that's very pretty colors. So I like that. So is this a highlighter? Total Face Palette. It doesn't tell. Does this tell? e.l.f. Contour like a pro in seconds. Apply the shape. So this is features bronzer, highlighter, and 2 blushes in this. So that is super cool. So that is what I got in this Target box here. So I'm excited about what I got for $7. These are $7 at your Target, so if you find them, pick one of them up, and they have pictures on the back that tells you what's in it. So, and they have one for mask and some other things, but this is the one that I thought would be best for me. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.